Hello everyone, and welcome back to Quiz Universe. Today, I've cooked up an exciting challenge. Guess the word by emoji. You'll face 15 questions with only 10 seconds per question to show off your emoji decoding skills. Think fast, and let's see if you have what it takes to become the quiz champion. Now, hit that subscribe button, buckle up, and let's dive into the fun. Warm-up time. What's this? It's cupcake. Sweet start. What's this emoji saying? It's gingerbread. Guess the word. It's Kit Kat. Take a break with that one. Ready for more? You got it. It's hot dog. How about this? Chocolate milk, moveless job. What's next? It's bunny. Hop to the next question. Can you guess? Birthday. Let's keep the party going. Decipher this one. Energy drink, zing. Full speed ahead. Hint. It's an electric car. Eco mode on. Crack this one. It's a seahorse, swimming through the quiz like a pro. Decode this word. Sweet potato. You nailed it. Time for some creativity. It's paintbrush. Art vibes incoming. Next clue. New jeans. The K-pop revolution continues. Can you guess this group? Blackpink. How you like that? Bonus. If you had to choose, who's your favorite? New Jeans or Blackpink? Tough choice, huh? Share in the comments below. Thank you for being part of today's quiz adventure. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more fun challenges. Now, drop your score in the comments. Let's see who crushed this emoji game. The highest scores will get a special shout out in the next video. Thanks for playing, and we'll catch you soon.